discover the remarkable story of an American hero, Chuck Yeager, celebrated as both an ace war aviator and the daring pilot who shattered the sound barrier. Born on February 13, 1923 in Myra, West Virginia, Charles Elwood Yeager, known as Chuck Yeager, started his career as an aircraft mechanic in the U.S. Army Air Forces in 1941. This equipped him with problem-solving skills, a deep understanding of aircraft mechanics, and a penchant for innovation, all of which contributed to his remarkable success as a pilot. During World War II, Chuck Yeager was elevated to a decorated fighter pilot, and with his exceptional 20/10 eyesight, became an ace by downing at least 11 enemy aircraft. He was also the first pilot in his unit to achieve ace in a day status. He strategically took down 5 enemy German aircraft during a single mission. After the war in 1945, Chuck Yeager transitioned to become a test pilot, playing a crucial role in the development of new aircraft and technologies. In 1947, he etched his name in history as the first person to break the sound barrier in level flight aboard the Bell X-1 aircraft, affectionately named Glamorous Glennis after his wife, despite enduring the discomfort of 2 broken ribs from a horse accident. Chuck Yeager continued to serve in the U.S. Air Force, holding various command and staff positions. He flew combat missions in the Vietnam War and achieved the rank of Brigadier General in 1969. He passed away on December 7, 2020, at the age of 97, marking the end of an era, but leaving an indelible mark on the history of aviation.